Don't you take me to Calzone.
Today, we're with GPizza, and he's gonna make something very special. Let everyone know what you're gonna make.
Andrew, today,
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you a meal in 3 calzones. So we're gonna have a starter calzone,
Yeah.
a main course calzone,
Okay.
and a dessert calzone.
Okay.
All the calzones.
I'm excited.
So come. I'm declaring 2023 the year of the calzone. So the first one I'm gonna make you is a entree calzone. So we take our dough. Okay, we're slowly gonna pat it down. This has been fermenting now for 4 days.
Fantastic.
Our cold ferment. We're gonna open this up. So this is how big, this is as big as I'll go. And we're just gonna put a little bit of our tomato sauce. It's 100% organic
Okay.
from California. Bianco di Napoli tomatoes, fantastic product. This is our classic pizza sauce. Then we're gonna take our cheese. So at the base, we're gonna add some mozzarella. And then we're gonna take my favorite cheese. This cheese is from Quebec. This is called Louis Dog. This is aged 3 years. And now we're gonna close it. My vision for 2023's calzone world is a starter calzone. Everything is a smaller calzone, so you can have more than one, you can share them. And then we're gonna place it at the front of the oven. The front of the oven,
Yeah.
always a little bit colder,
Okay.
and we're gonna let that cook right there. So that's the first one.
All right.
Let's start on the second one. This is gonna be the main course calzone.
Okay.
And this is an ode to Quebec culture.
Okay.
During the holidays in Quebec, throughout the year, but during the holidays especially, we have something called meat pie.
Yeah.
Tourtiere.
I love my tourtiere.
Everyone, you know, you eat it with ketchup? I love it with ketchup all the time.
It's not sacrilegious, right?
No, at all. So we made our mix today. This is our filling. So this is 100% veal, no pork.
Okay.
Just because some people are sensitive and I want everybody to try it out.
Okay.
Oh my God. I think it's delicious. We're gonna open it up. The whole thing is that a calzone is supposed to be portable. You're supposed to be able to take it with you.
Okay.
It's not supposed to be huge, heavy. It's supposed to be just right that you could eat by yourself or you could share it with a friend. Let's go back to our mozz. So the meat's cooked. It's we stewed it for a few hours today. It's really super simple, but savory. Okay, and then we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna close it up. It's a little venting. And this one we're gonna take to the oven. These ones are going on our website soon
Oh,
for
fantastic.
the holiday season in our holiday shop.
Maybe just for me, you could try a 4-cheese calzone.
Do you want to try a 4 cheese today?
You have?
I have 4 cheese.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's do that. So let's open this one up. So delicious. A little bit of sauce. Give me 1 second, I'll go get some cheeses. And we're back. So we're gonna add some mozzarella. So we have Pacific Rock, another cheese from Quebec, a little bit stronger, delicious. This is Grana Padano, a cousin to Parmigiano. So here we're gonna finish with the Louis Dog 3 year. And now we're gonna close it.
Nice.
Yes, it is. And now we're gonna make our last one, which is the dessert one.
Ooh.
Woo!
You made this beautiful lemon curd
Ooh, I
pizza
remember that
last
one.
year. You made this amazing. If you haven't seen that video, click the link in the description below. The amazing lemon curd pizza.
I like cheesecake. I like blintzes. I like Pop-Tarts. Let's make one of those.
All right.
So we're gonna start with mascarpone,
Yeah.
which is an Italian creamed cheese.
Okay.
Okay. So these are wild strawberries from Italy in a beautiful syrup from our friends at Fabri. Fantastic. See, I don't think it needs more than that. I think it's wonderful. Our at paquette. This is the first one.
And you said we're gonna let it rest.
Oh, we have
right?
to. We have to. It's so pretty.
This is not burnt. It's charred. They're like little babies of joy. Talk to me. Talk to me softly.
So this is our first one. It's the starter. So it's tomato, mozzarella, and Louis Dog 3 year. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Santé. Mmm. Delicious. Good way to start off the day.
Yeah.
So originally, you said you were gonna make 3,
calzones.
but I told them how much I love cheese.
So we made a 4 cheese calzone. Salud.
I love the dough.
The dough's great. You know, it's almost like a pair of warm socks. Like calzones. Ah!
There you go.
I'm happy that you're happy. Tourtiere, calzone.
Marveling at this beauty.
And what better way to celebrate than with our sauce brune, our brown sauce. Cheers.
Cheers. Look at some ooey gooey.
We've changed tourtiere for life. It makes the perfect stocking stuffer.
All right, dessert. I'm ready for this.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So if you have good quality ingredients and you know how to prepare your food, you get excellent results, my man.
It's the only way.
So we have a prediction over here. 2023 will be the year of the calzone.
Yes, calzones are back 2023.
It's coming back with a vengeance. And if you want the best calzones here in Montreal, go to GPizza, click the link in the description below, and tell them that Andrew from Dish sent you. Till next time, check out these other great videos and subscribe and give this video a like. Because you know, this guy loves you.